Hi, my name is Anjna and I have been Dr. Connealy's patient since July of 2019, and I came initially here because I was having just symptoms of feeling extremely tired, extremely exhausted, and just mentally exhausted too, and not understanding what the problem was. I myself am an acupuncturist, and yet I couldn't identify how to help myself. So coming to Dr. Connealy, she asked me questions related to my fatigue and other related symptoms, and she said, let's do a blood test. We did a blood test and we found out the cause of my symptoms. Now, just believe this, but I had these symptoms for the last, I would say, 10 to 12 years, and not quite knowing who to go to and who to feel comfortable with telling them my symptoms, because I thought fatigue was something that everybody had and we just had to move through the day with the fatigue. But now, since July, I have been taking these wonderful adrenal supplements, and my life has turned around. I feel energized. I feel enthusiastic about doing work, just day-to-day work. I feel like I'm more creative now because just everything in my body is functioning at its optimum. And if there's anything and anyone that I'm truly grateful to help me at this level of my health, that is Dr. Connealy, because she was the only one that took my health and just changed everything around it, everything about my health. She just shifted it around and has made a huge difference for my well-being. So I am extremely grateful for Dr. Connealy and Center of New Medicine for bringing back a new life, a new me. Thank you.